This is Misfortune Radio with New York Times best-selling author and your host, Doug Andrew.
Listen, let me talk a little bit more about why now may be the time to convert IRAs and 401ks to better plans. Well, tax rates are lower and your account values are lower. Why would you want to wait around for your account to recuperate or come back, recoup what you've lost, and then pull it out in what we know will be higher tax rates down the road? If you're like many Americans, you maybe seen 30, 40, maybe 50% losses on the value of your 401ks or IRAs in the last few years. Maybe you've seen a little bit of recovery from that this year, but don't hold your breath. This stimulus is sort of like the economy is operating on an artificial high, I think, sort of like a Red Bull energy drink that will last for a little while, but we will soon be forced to come back to reality and may even suffer a little crash before the economy generates natural energy from its own stimuli as inventories have been depleted and now they have to be regenerated. Businesses are retooling. Consumers are a little less fearful of realizing that we probably bottomed out and we're on our way back. But I predict the worst tax hit is yet to come. And it's not what you think. See, if I could tell you the exact day that you will suffer the greatest loss on your IRAs and 401ks, would you be interested? Well, I can tell you, it's the day you begin to withdraw that money in retirement. You know, as it is, recovering from losses can be tough. For example, when an account loses 50% of its value, that account has to experience 100% gain just to get back to break even. Say you had $100,000 in a 401k 2 years ago and it's now only worth $50,000. Your account would need to double to get back to its original value, and in this volatile economy, that could take years. Also, do you know that retirement accounts that were once worth twice as much and generated interest income of 7, 8, or 9% are now worth not only half that much, but they're only generating 2, 3, or 4%. And that's why people only have about 25 or 30% of the income. They've lost their future. And so I'm still saying that's not all to be worried about, folks. Despite all of these recent losses, I predict it will pale in comparison to the tax hit retirees will experience the day they begin withdrawing their money from their qualified retirement plans. You see, the government has a permanent tax lien on your IRAs and 401ks. One thing is certain: future taxes will be going up. For this reason, I don't own an IRA or 401k, never have, never will. There are better ways to save and have tax-free income in retirement.
This is Misfortune Radio with Doug Andrew.